Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. So, we'll be picking few cards for your daily reading, Capricorn. These are the cards for your general energies, guys. And I will be picking more cards for your relationship. So, these cards for your general energies that may relate to your career situation or your relationship. So we'll be opening the cards now, guys, as we proceed. So these are for your relationship. We'll pick the cards and we'll open them as we go into the reading for your relationship, guys. So let's see what are these cards, guys. Capricorn, it's Nine of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and Star. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, Capricorn, you are having some stressful situation. It may be something in your career or something in your relationship. Something is making you sleepless, or someone is making you sleepless, guys. Maybe this person, or in your career, maybe some troubles, or it may be love, guys. So you are anxious what this person will say. You have proposed to them and they have not given that answer for you. So you are in some way very much stressed, anxious to know their answer. So you have this love and you have this huge attraction on someone and you want to be in this connection. These two cards, this card is something pointing to some kind of stress, guys, but the other two cards are very positive. So I feel that you're waiting for that answer from this person, waiting for that love, what they will answer you, what they will answer for that proposal you made to them. You are happy that you made this proposal, and you may be happy in your career situation also, guys, because I see emotional contentment, satisfaction in your situation, and you see hope and faith in your future. So you have that serenity in your heart. Maybe you would have faced your share of troubles, but you know what you need to do today to have that happiness and harmony in your situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship. It's Lovers, Astronomer of Spheres, and Ace of Spheres in reverse. So again we see that in your relationship, in this love, it may be love, guys, it may be this destined connection you are in with this person. Maybe you are destined to be with this person. That is the reason they are here in love with you, in this connection with you. And I also see that this person is going to play an important role in your life, guys. They are generous, they are very kind hearted and open minded, they are truthful. So this love is going to change you in a very positive way, guys. This love you have on them, or their love for you. So they have some kind of a good influence on you, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. So maybe if you are interested in someone, this person may be the person for you. So they may accept your love. That is what I see, guys, with this card. So that is the reading for today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.